Good morning. It is, gosh, where's my phone? What did I do with my phone? Oh. Good morning. It is 7:11 in the morning, August 4th, and I'm gonna try to do like a mini cleaning video before Aiden wakes up. So I'm gonna show you how messy this room can get, our room. And we also did just like move our stuff around, so there's a lot of stuff that we haven't like put away in its spot because we recently like rearranged everything. So I'm just gonna show you how messy everything is, and then show you after, and maybe obviously the process of cleaning it all up, and then how it looks when it's all done. And hopefully I can do it all before Aiden wakes up. If not, then I'll pick up when he goes down for a nap, and we'll just, this will be half the day's work kind of thing. But yep, here is our pigsty. But it'll all get cleaned, all organized, and then we'll live a little better. But this is real life, right? So, and sorry I look like I just woke up, because I literally just woke up. Didn't put any makeup on, nothing. All right, here's the room. So here I'm starting with my bed. I don't know about anybody else, but for some reason I just always have to start with my bed. It just helps motivate me to clean the rest of the room. This is that one corner of the room where just everything that we've had, clothes, just things throughout the day, it just gets piled up in this area. So I'm just organizing where everything is supposed to go. So here I'm using the Pledge multi-surface to dust the top of the dresser. I'll use it for the nightstand as well as the desk. Something I always love to do when I'm done cleaning a room is lighting candles. And in this case, I will light 3 candles. This specifically one here is from Target. The one on the nightstand is from Bath & Body, and the one on the desk is from Bath & Body. And I just love it when the room just smells so good after I cleaned it. Alright, so it is, let's see, 1 hour later, and I am done cleaning the room. I still have like laundry and stuff to do, but for now, it looks pretty good. I have to like clean the bedding and stuff like that, but it's clean. I totally, like, when you see like a really dirty room or something that's just like been bothering you for so long and super messy, you just think that it's gonna take way longer than like it actually is going to. And I surely thought I would not be able to finish this before Aiden woke up, but I did. Besides the piles of laundry that I have, I'm done with the room at least, and that's all organized. So let me just show you guys really quick, and hope you enjoyed this video.